안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make sujebi. Sujebi is very common Korean food and is consisting of dough flakes torn by hand with vegetables. This work is so much fun. We'll see. And this recipe resembles Kalguksu, a Korean noodle soup. Kalguksu is made with noodles and sujebi is made with wheat flakes. Okay, then let's set the table. Let's make a dough first. In a bowl, put 1 cup of flour and sprinkle with a pinch of salt. And pour the 1/3 cup of water by dividing several times, checking it's not too watery. Mix with a spoon and when it starts to clump, knead the dough by hand. Push and fold. As many as you repeat this work, the dough gives more good texture. After that, put it in a plastic bag and let it sit in the refrigerator for an hour. Meanwhile, cut potato into thick pieces and slice the zucchini and carrot. And I'm going to make a broth. Pour the water in a pot and put this packet. In this packet, there are kelp and anchovy. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. When it boils, take this packet out and put potato chunks and boil it for 1 minute. Turn the heat down to medium and take dough out from refrigerator. Then revolve the piece and stretch it as thin as you can. And toss it in. Revolve and stretch and toss it. Easy and funny. Cook for 3 minutes and put zucchini and carrot in a pot. And season with the soup soy sauce and salt. Put minced garlic and boil for 1 minute and turn off the heat. Okay, let me taste. Before you eat, you need to be careful because it's hot. This soup is really savory. And look at the thickness. I like the thin thickness. This texture is really good. Today I made a sujebi. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.